She had just signed my death certificate.
Cancer claims denied. It's another battle for Valley firefighters, even though they should be covered under state law. And tonight, CBS 5 investigates just how many of our first responders are affected by this.
Well, CBS 5's Brianna Whitney, she's been digging into this story for the past several months. Her reporting led to the city of Glendale finally reversing one of their firefighter claim denials. Brianna is back here in our studios tonight. What's the new information?
Big new numbers. That's what the Attorney General is talking about. So back in August, Attorney General Mark Brnovich asked the Industrial Commission to collect data on the number of disputes and outcomes on these firefighter cancer cases. Well, the commission will update this data monthly, but the AG says the first numbers released are concerning.
I mean, quite frankly, I don't know how people that are denying these claims can live with themselves.
The top lawyer in Arizona disgusted with the treatment some cancer-stricken firefighters are getting from the cities they've protected.
My goodness, these first responders were there for us. Why aren't we there for them?
For months, Arizona's family followed Glendale firefighter Kevin Thompson's story, where the city originally denied his claim, giving us excuses that didn't check out, even though Thompson's cancer is covered under Arizona state law. Now, Attorney General Mark Brnovich breaking down the new numbers.
40% denied.
40% denied. 30% pending, and another 30% accepted. Now think about that, Brianna. That means that basically it's about you're batting 300. Now, if you're a baseball player in the World Series, batting 300 may be okay, but if you're the government and you have a legal and moral obligation to a first responder, that's terrible.
He says the cities are hiding behind third parties, doctors, and insurance companies, yet will spend millions of dollars on sports complexes and handouts to billionaire businesses.
You see more and more pressure put on it, including your reporting has put a lot of pressure on these cities to do something.
So how are the cities able to break the law and deny these claims?
The reality is that there's no penalty in the law.
But Brnovich says everyone should expect to see that change.
I will tell you what, Brianna, I will make you a guaranteed prediction. There will be legislation introduced, and I think it's going to get passed because it's the morally right thing to do.
Now, the Attorney General says he's already working with Senator Paul Boyer, who's been very outspoken about this issue, on writing up legislation to impose consequences when cities don't follow the law on this. Brandon, Chris?